You see his clubs? You see the clubs I got? That he's got?
Did you say 6,000?
Yeah. $6,000 for the set?
4,000 for the set.
I think it's about 4. Dude, he's got the brand. That's what I said. He's gonna be real good. He's one of our best assets on the channel.
It's Bitcoin Ray for you.
Bitcoin Ray is gonna play some lights out.
I'm excited. Look, I found something in my car, and I thought it would be useful for today.
You can do it.
Never give up. And then there's another one. You can do it.
That's us today.
We can do a little squishies, so.
Do you bring yours?
Bring it.
What happened to Dan? The guy that was gonna play
though.
with us.
Yeah, I got my head cover. Head cover's here. Dan, I gotta call Dan.
We gotta call him. A golf pro and a sim.
Dan McCracken is a professional teacher, golf teacher.
But he's a professional teacher.
But he's
in
not
a golf simulation.
Yes, in a golf simulation. He's in a 6x8. He's not allowed to leave the room, but he gives amazing lessons in there. So one day we're gonna get him outside.
We'll go to that footage right now.
Yeah, let's shoot to that footage real quick.
You're gonna need an umbrella today?
Huh.
Everything's dirtier than shit too. I didn't even wash it yet.
That's okay.
Look at the driver. Look at the driver.
What kind of driver you got?
Ken, this thing is
The
legit.
3-wood's the same brand and same model, pretty much.
Oh, it is a California.
Oh, it is a
AI
California.
smoke. Are these?
You can hit them if you want. Check them out today.
Let them use the 8-iron.
That's a Mizuno.
Kenny will buy him. It's from this century.
I don't know how old this thing is. Probably at least 15.
Oh my God, what is that
Slider
thing?
weight in it.
Dude, what year?
I got an M1, dude.
I'm sorry, right? Ray's embarrassed.
I got an M1, bro.
Oh, that's a good. That's actually
Oh,
a
that's
good
nice
driver.
shit.
Great
I can get down with the M1.
I thought you had a Callaway driver.
I did. I got rid of it.
That's what-
No, I had the Cleveland High board.
You hit that thing well?
Yeah, I hit it well last time.
Okay.
It doesn't. I probably lose
4
about 10
months ago.
yards.
I'm gonna shank every.
Nick, how many satellites can see with that shirt?
I took up a lot.
I thought he was working for waste management. Boy.
Those
We're
will
a
get
tough,
dirty.
tough crowd.
I just
Yeah.
bought a pair of Primos.
Good thing we got a good vibe going into one. Really working together as a team.
We're gonna be cutting each other down so hard.
Watch this going.
Oh my God.
Is that the?
He almost fucking made it.
Oh, is that what? Is this the shot? That's really far.
He's good. I thought that was dropping.
That was
Almost made it. Oh, look at the line.
Yeah, perfect. Wow, Ray. Two great putts.
Great putt right there. He's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
He's a good putter. But you can't get in his head.
No,
So don't get in his head.
I'm not going to.
Let's go.
Good morning, everyone. The weather cooperated, so that's always great to have. As we noted, we have a full house today, so please keep moving forward. Have a great time out there. And
Get away with it. How we looking?
Oh, you picked them up. Thanks.
He was off the green.
You guys want me to putt first?
Well, we gotta figure out which one we want to do.
Oh. Well, that's not hard. This ball right here, it looks like, because this looks like it's going to turn from right to left, unless we're all right-handed.
Yeah, we're all right.
So everybody likes a right-hander likes a right to left putt.
I mean,
This one looks straight. It looks straight.
All right, let's
and then
We're not gonna miss this.
Let's do this
so
one
it
here.
doesn't.
All right, right? Is that what we agree?
I think the straight putt.
I think the straight putt would be.
Okay. All right.
Take all the thought out of it.
You want this as a backdrop or take it out?
You can take it out if you'd like.
Take it out, correct?
I didn't hit it
Go,
all.
go, 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 go!
Oh, dude. Oh, the what?
It is a chip.
Chip time.
Chip.
Wow, Ray's wasting no time.
Ray don't fuck around. Gave it a look at it. What are we doing? Eagle?
First and then straight now.
Eagle?
Definitely gonna go left at the beginning.
But the greens don't really break that much.
No, they don't.
No, they don't. You want me to go first?
I'm thinking, well, Either you or Nick.
I'll go first.
I'm thinking,
Two balls to the right.
That was a hell of a shot.
Just gotta get there. Yeah, it's breaking.
Great speed.
Good speed though. Hey, we got birdie.
We got the. That's a good line there.
Yeah. If you're hitting that same speed, you're out here.
Really?
Yeah. It's gonna dive in high off the top.
Yeah.
it's gonna dive in high at the top. One of us is gonna make this.
Good.
For reference sake, in case they contest us at
Should I
the
put Parfessor?
Parfessor, yeah. That's what you should
We
put.
don't know if this is gonna hold, but what you do is
I think this is gonna hold, dude.
Put it right on this edge here, because that's technically.
The furthest point of the ball.
furthest point of the ball,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
Right.
I would give yourself another. Yeah, you know what? That'll work.
Oh boy.
Oops.
Here you go.
All right, that's not my ball.
I'm overwhelmed just thinking about it. Colorado is a 3-club change for me.
Yeah, I played in Colorado once
Yeah.
too. It was crazy.
It's stupid, bro. 7-iron, 235 yards.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's wild.
And it's not like you're swinging at it differently or you're swinging harder. You're just, the air is thinner, the ball just floats.
Yep.
And it doesn't move left or right more. It actually stays a little straighter.
Yeah.
Yes, that's the ball. That's on
Stick.
Hey. Oh, don't do it.
In time.
Dr. Chapinski said I'm here.
Doctor's in.
Actually, that was good.
Yeah. What was that, mango? Yeah. I had like a dark red one.
I haven't seen a Yingling like that.
I thought that was kind of cool, right?
What?
Yingling.
Yeah, I like the cover of it. You don't usually see that one. It's vintage.
All right, we're -6.
Oh
Good
my
right.
God, dude. It's there, it's just out. That's birdie. Birdie.
It was a 9. That might be on. Nah.
Sit down.
Draw.
Sit down.
It's looking good. It's looking great.
It's a great shot, right?
You needed the 8.
What was that? That was right on it, right? Am I the only
It's
one?
on the fucking green, guys.
You're over.
Yeah, no, it's on the green.
You're over.
It was always the 7.
Always. Sorry, I didn't see it.
It always was the 7. John Daly said that's where birdies live and die.
Tough putts. They're tough putts. Like, this is left to right.
Which one ends up further away from the hole if we miss? That's the
for
question.
sure.
Sling up by the hole.
What do you, Nick? Are you high enough?
Huh?
Are you know where you're going? All right.
He's got like.
All right. I trust you. That's got to go though. Yeah, it like really
that
dies.
really does whip and die.
Bad though, dude.
That was a good idea of what this putt's doing.
Good to know what it's doing.
And it's turning.
But you really got to get it there to have a chance. Damn. All right, Ray, you're not gonna. Get there, Ray. All right.
Sit down now.
Come on, turn.
Oh, boys and girls.
Got a chance here.
We got a chance to go 12 under if we make a birdie on the next 2.
Duck. The fact that you don't have a hole in one, Ray, is mind-boggling too. Yo, another dart.
That
Look,
was an
he's
8-iron.
walking it off. Look, he's about to make it. Watch
By
it.
the way, that was an 8-iron.
Fuck yeah. All right, that's good. Coming down hard. Bounce hard. Perfect. Perfection. That driver would have been better because you kind of hit under it, right?
I peeled it a little bit.
I think so. I think he's past the trees.
I hit the shit out of it.
All right, then he's past the
Did
tree.
you?
He's
I
past
hit
the
the
tree.
center of the face.
He hit that perfect. I think that's a good shot.
Did you hear the titanium ting?
Lefty on you guys.
Lefty upside down driver and still beat you with one glove. Don't fuck with me.
I didn't.
I play golf.
Damn, right?
Wow, Ryan, that's pretty good. That's a pretty good swing.
Not bad.
Not bad. Better than most.
You have to
The
go.
left side's already done.
Just keep it tight. Kenny kept his head down.
Short.
I know he's trying to do something cute. You're keeping like
Win.
your head
You don't got
moving?
enough club, dude.
What the?
You gotta use driver here.
What are you hitting there? All right, lefty. Shoulders.
I might be better lefty than
I think so. His swing is pretty good, lefty.
Not bad.
You did it before, and I was kind of like, okay. But that's because you switch hit in fucking college. You hit lefty.
Baseball's easier though.
Get the fuck out of here. The ball's not moving.
It is, I swear to God, it's easier. Oh, run up.
That's when you know you have a golfer, when he can hit any club on the green. Any club.
Any club.
We need Ray, though. We need Ray. What do you think? You thought that was bullshit, right?
bullshit.
Dude, that guy looks so skinny.
He hit the drive of his entire life.